Though Discord is no longer solely designed for gaming, it's still the best way to chat with your friends as you spend the night destroying your rivals in Overwatch or League of Legends. One of the coolest features in Discord for gamers is the ability to change your in-game status, letting your friends know what you're up to online. Let's take a look at how to change your in-game status manually in Discord. First, it's important to note that Discord has two unique activity statuses. The first, your online status, works how you'd expect it to in any online chat app. You can manually change your online status by clicking on your profile photo in the bottom left corner of the app. Online is the standard setting, idle is the Discord equivalent to away, invisible lets you hide your online status to Discord users, and do not disturb mutes all notifications on your desktop. Your game status is a totally different thing. Game statuses allow you to show off what you're running on your PC. Discord has an auto-detect system built in that looks for a number of recognizable .exe files to set your game activity for you. For example, if you start running League of Legends on your PC, Discord will automatically update your game status accordingly. This works for a ton of games, but it might not work for every game in your library. Thankfully, Discord makes it easy to update your game status manually in your user settings. Click on the gear icon next to your profile in Discord, then scroll down along the left side of the window until you find Game Activity. Here, you can view your current game activity as well as add any games to your account for Discord to automatically look for. To add a game manually, click on the Add It button below your game status. Using the drop-down menu, select the game you're currently running on your PC. When you add games to Discord's activity tracker, they'll appear in the Added Games section below the Game Activity menu, and if Discord has verified a game, a small verification checkmark will appear next to each title. Using the Game Activity menu, you can also choose whether or not to enable Discord's Game Overlay, which allows you to chat in Discord without navigating away from the action. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to check out these other videos you might like, and subscribe to Tech Junkie for all sorts of tech news, reviews, and top picks every day.